Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle type on Deliveroo. First, contact Deliveroo support through the Rider app or website. You'll find them in the help or support section. Let them know you want to change your vehicle type and specify the new one you'll be using. For example, switching from a bicycle to a scooter. Provide the required documents. These may include updated insurance details, a valid driver's license if applicable, or proof of training such as a CBT for motorcycles. Fill out any form. Deliveroo sends you to officially request the change. Once approved, your Deliveroo Rider app will automatically update with your new vehicle type. Important to remember, make sure your insurance covers your new vehicle type. Have the correct training and license if you're moving to a motorized vehicle. Use the right safety equipment like a helmet if you're riding a scooter or motorbike. And that's it. That's how to change your vehicle type on Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.